Hello cadets, welcome back to this channel. This is Ashwani and today I will tell you the latest update regarding Great Eastern, their latest eligibility criteria, their waiting period, their stipend and everything about Great Eastern. So let's start the video. So the latest update regarding Great Eastern is that they have released their form for February 2025 batch. So it's great news for all of you. So what is the latest eligibility criteria from Great Eastern is that you should have completed your class 12 from a recognized board. It means NIOS and open school students are not allowed. And then you should have at least 60% in PCM and you should have at least 60% in English also, either in class 12 or either in class 10. And you should have imucet rank because in Feb batch the imucet that you have given in June will be valid for the whole year. So for August and for the Feb batch same rank will be valid. And then if you have completed your BSc with physics, chemistry, maths and if you have scored 50% in your final year, then also you are eligible and your age should be maximum 24 years. And talking to the medical criteria, the basic medical criteria is that 6/6 eyesight is there and no speech deformity, and main thing is that there should be no color blindness. And talking to that, how you can go to the Great Eastern. So what is the whole process? So the first thing is that you should fill Great Eastern's form. Then Great Eastern conducts exam in slot wise. It will be a home based exam, but it will be conducted in slot wise. So slot wise students will be allotted, and then when all these students will end up their exam, at last Great Eastern releases their cutoff, and then if you have cleared the cutoff, then you can go for the interview. So first thing is that the online examination. So what is there in online examination syllabus? So it's physics, chemistry, maths, 11th and 12th.
Hey guys, आप लोग वीडियो तो देख रहे हो पर क्या आपने फॉर्म भरा? नहीं राइट, और जो स्किप नहीं होगा इट्स नॉट एन एड। आफ्टर ऑल आपकी हेल्प के लिए ही है, चाहे मर्चेंट नेवी रिलेटेड बेसिक डाउट्स हो या प्रिपरेशन में हेल्प चाहिए हो। Our mentors are always there for you. So fill the form in the description and like this video before you go.
Aptitude and little bit of GK geography, not too much. Basically the core subjects are physics, chemistry, maths and English and aptitude. So when you complete all these things, you submit your test, and after some days when everyone finishes their test, they will release their cutoff and they will call you for interview. On the day of the interview, you are going to appear for one more pre-screening test. When you clear this, then you go for the interview round. And as you all know that in interview, it is Great Eastern interviews of good level, and then they ask physics, chemistry, maths, they test your personality, they test your English communication, maths, everything will be there in interview. And when you complete the interview process and if you cleared that, then the next day they will call you for the medicals in their own office. So when you clear the medical, then they will call you for the DNS. When you complete all these things, the merit list, if your name will be in the merit list, then you will call for to do the DNS. And you can do the DNS from their own institute, Great Eastern Institute of Maritime Studies. It is in Lonavala. It is very good institute to pursue your DNS. And talking about the number of students they are taking for Feb batch, so number of seats is 40 students they will take. And then their waiting period is almost 8 to 10 months, and their stipend is all about 27,000. And this is all about the Great Eastern. So if you have any doubt regarding Great Eastern and in their process, comment down for this video. Thank you so much.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए, then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for imucet and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your marina journey with us today.